Let's do some Southern cooking. And you can't get any more Southern than making Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding by Paula Deen. So, is it worth all the hype? Let's find out. First, we're going to mix a large box. Didn't have a large box, so I've got 2 small, so I'm going to do 1.5 of French vanilla pudding with 2 cups of cold milk. And we're just going to mix that together. Okay, next we're going to use 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and we're going to mix that with a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Nice and creamy. Got all the lumps out. Now, it calls for 1 12-ounce container of Cool Whip, and I have 2 8-ounce, so I'm going to use 1.5. I know my bowl wasn't going to be big enough. So start with a bigger bowl for this. Gonna fold in the whipped cream. Okay, and now we go in with the vanilla pudding. Now, I saw her make it 2 different ways. First way is the way we're going to make it, where we're just going to make 1 layer of each thing. We're going to do a layer of cookies, and you use these Chessman Petrus Farm cookies. And then we're going to put the layer of bananas, layer of pudding, and top it with cookies. But I saw her make it where she put an additional layer in there. So if you like the cookies, buy another bag. So this is going to take like 2. Buy another bag, and you can do an additional layer. If I can get them open. It shouldn't be that hard. Here we go. Okay. See, we might not have to use a broke one. These are so pretty. They have flowers and flower pots and little houses. Now you're going to need 6 to 8 bananas, which sounds like a lot. So we'll see how many. These are smaller bananas. That one's got a bad spot in it. Cut that out. That's 3, small, and it does need more. I think I am gonna do another one, just to get that nice and covered. But I'm feeling like that's enough. So for me, that was 5 small bananas. And then we just go right on top with our mixture. Okay, get it smooth. And then we're going to put our last layer of cookies right on top. And I have an extra bag, so I'm going to open them up to get 2 cookies that are not broken. Oh, these have different pictures on them. These are actually chessmen. There's a knight and a king or queen. Bishop, maybe? Don't know my chess pieces. I bet these were, oh, spring shapes. So I didn't know chessmen could come with different pictures. I was kind of wanting them to all be chessmen. Okay, let's give it a try. It's good. As far as easy goes, 10 out of 10. Very easy to put together. Is it too sweet? No. No, absolutely not. It is not too sweet at all. The cookies have stayed very crunchy. I actually don't like that because to me it makes it hard to eat. So I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator overnight and see if the cookies soften up. So, but if you like crunchy cookies, they have stayed crunchy, and it's probably been in the refrigerator only about 30 minutes. Would I make it again? Absolutely. I give this a 10 out of 10. Is it worth the hype? Absolutely. You have to make this one. It's easy, it's quick, and you'll impress your friends.